Welcome to Makinig Hot Spring. I'm the queen of Makinig Hot Spring. Video ang beauty sa mountains. Mountains of Coron, Palawan. The beauty of the mountains of Coron, Palawan. Wow, oh gosh! May isang view! Dali na yung side, oh, dali. Wow! Oh gosh, grabe. Whew. It's so breathtakingly beautiful. Mas maganda pa talaga sa akin. Beauty. Yeah, beauty. Wow! So I'm gonna read the the guidelines of Makinig Hot Spring. So first, the guidelines: do not feed the monkeys. We do not want them to be too familiar with you and think that your food and belongings are theirs too. Our wild monkeys come down during the summer to feed on the cashew fruits on the trees. Do not feed the stray dogs and cats. They might think your food is theirs too and leave you with nothing. So right now, wala akong may makita na monkeys dito na sides ng Makinig Hot Spring. Sayang, wala akong makita na monkeys. Wala na sigurong cashew kasi yung cashew talaga yung gusto nilang kainin. Naubos na yung cashew kaya hindi sila nagpapakita. Sayang talaga. I want to see them. I want to see monkeys. Pero ngayon wala sila. Nagtatago sila. Maybe takot sila sa mukha ko. They're afraid. They're afraid to see my ugly face. This is their souvenir shop or info center. Sayang wala ngayong wild monkeys. Gusto ko sana sila makita. Pero takot din ako sa wild monkeys. Kasi nung pumunta ako sa Kalawit Safari, merong unggoy na naka-cage. Pagkatapos nung lumapit ako sa kanyang cage para magpa-picture, bigla niya akong sinabunutan, imagine. Kaya part of myself parang takot din sa wild monkeys kasi ang galing nila magsabunot ng buhok. And next reminder is you should dip slowly, starting with the feet and slowly lowering yourself in the pool for the body to adjust to the temperature of the water. Depending on your age and state of health, please refrain from staying longer than 10 minutes at any given time. Staying too long in the hot water may cause dizziness and fainting spells. Oh, really? Ngayon ko lang alam to. Fainting spell. So, pwede ka ano ba yun? Ano pang fainting sa Tagalog? Nakalimutan ko yung word na faint. Pero kung sa Ilonggo, yung faint is pwede ka malipungan. So, it can cause to faint and dizziness if you stay longer in the hot water. Okay. I'm coming to a hot spring. Gosh. Ang ganda talaga ng tubig. As in, hindi talaga sobrang mainit. Labaab lang. I don't know kung ano yung labaab sa Tagalog. Ilang minuto ka nagbabad sa mainit na tubig? 20? Hindi ka nagbasa sa sa reminders ng Makinet Hot Spring. You should only dip for only 10 minutes. Sobra na yung pag-dip mo, 20 minutes. So, did you feel dizzy? Sabi daw sa reminders, hanggang 10 minutes lang yung pag-dip mo kasi you will feel dizzy and fainted.
Pero ko nila ba? Mas ma-floating.
Oh. Lang nga ba bukal-bukal siya, no?
Floating.
Ha? Why? What's the explanation?
Hindi na po ng tubig kung kapal din.
Wow. Interesting.
Ako ba kayo ito mineral lang ako lang?
Bakit ako? Siyempre mainit. Dalom na nga part of?
Nabaw.
Nabaw? Asasan o? Asasan o? Asta sa diin na yun. Uy. That's so nice here. Ang sarap talaga ng ng hot spring. Dito, hindi masyadong mainit. Grabe sa Mambukal, sobrang init talaga dito. Yung pakiramdam mo na yung ano mo, yung skin mo talaga parang ewan. Tolerable yung yung temperature ng hotness dito sa Makinig. It's so nice talaga. Pero yung sa Mambukal, grabe. Hindi yun tolerable. Sobrang init sa Mambukal. So this is their dressing room. Magpapalit ako ng ng swimsuit. Ang ganda ng ng quote. Hard work pays off. And it's really true. Stop rushing, start doing. Look at the wonderful, so beautiful yellow tree. It's so beautiful. Grabe, ang ganda. Yan. So beautiful. Someday, I'm gonna plant this kind of tree on my backyard. Ang ganda, sobra. I don't know what kind of I don't know kung anong pangalan nito ng yellow tree na to. But it's so really nice.